This is Emily's first volcano. This is Emily. Say hi, Em.
Hi.
What did you do?
I made a volcano.
Oh, and are you gonna pour that in your volcano?
Yay.
Okay, let me see you do it.
1, 2, 3.
Am I keeping you from work?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now go get your baking soda.
Okay.
Internet website designer. Listen, Melinda, I appreciate the break.
Now what?
I do, but
Put it in your
I like
volcano.
my privacy. Understand?
You poured it?
Ah! Ah! Oh, no.
Sorry,
No. No way.
moldings on that door.
No way. Look.
Appreciate the breakfast.
Good job!
I want to do it again.
No, you can't. Now, when you take
Most earthbound spirits are excited to know that there's someone there that they
vinegar
can talk to
and baking soda,
Maybe
it makes a gas called
Oh no.
CO2!
Toto.
CO2!
Toto.
Great job, Em. So Emily did her first volcano experiment. And how old are you now?
Who's sitting in front of us?
Sit.
How old are you?
I am
Tell the truth.
There's a ghost living across the street.
And
Pretend
then-
it's not there. I can't
Are you
No.
are you 3 years old?
know what to do, and so do I.
No.
You're 3 years
See if I
old.
can help you move on.